Hello friends, it's Daryl. How you doing? Today we're going to do another repair on the 2008 through 2012 Mercury Mariner. And if you watch some of my other videos, you might be expecting this one. We're going to replace a broken reflector off the rear bumper. You can see how it's cracked and missing a piece on the bottom here. These parts, from what I've been told, are no longer available new from Ford Motor Company. So you have to go after the second-hand market to get one. And I looked on eBay, and they range anywhere from $22 to $40 for a used one. I went to my local self-pull junkyard, and most of them were gone. I was lucky to get there the day after they set a new row of cars, and I was able to get left and right ones. And there is a difference between the two. They're angled a little different on the end, and the clips are set up opposite each other. But I got those for $5 a piece, which is a good deal. Here's the right one with the straighter edge on the left side and the curved edge on the right side. And this goes in like this. You can see everything lines up. And if we look at the back side, we can see one side has a hook. And the hook, this goes in from the front. The hook goes in like this and slides forward a little bit, like that. And then this side here is a snap clip that just snaps right into place. But I do have to get down on the ground, because in order to take it out, you have to reach up underneath, right above where that backup sensor is. Find this little tab right here, and squeeze the tips of it, and push it toward the rear of the car to pop it out on this side. All right, let's hope you can see where we're at. We're under the car. You can see the spare tire here, the exhaust pipe here, and just to the left of the exhaust pipe, you can see the backup sensor right here that goes through the bumper. The little tabs that hold the reflector in place are about 6 inches up here between the bumper cover and the rear frame. So you reach up through here until you feel it, squeeze it, and push it toward the back of the car, just like that. Once you get back out from under the car, you'll see that it is popped out from the left side. You'll pull it toward you, swing it out just a little bit, and then pull it straight back to unhook the hook part, and there it is. You're in the clear. The part is out. It's going to take the hook part. The hook part goes into the hole on the front edge and slides forward. That'll cause the back to be right about where you want it here. You'll flex it a little bit and pull it inward, and then it should just snap right into place. Look at that. Brand new looking for $5. You can do it yourself and save. Go to your local junkyard. You can probably pick one of these up for about $5. Or if you don't want to go digging around at the junkyard, you can pick one up on eBay used for about $20 to $25. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.